everybody. Welcome to this lesson. I'm Beatrice, together with
Sarah. In this lesson, we are going to learn about sound E. Sound E. Before we learn about sound E, we have a nice story for you.
Oh yes!
Once upon a time,
Yes, tell us.
there lived a farmer who had a farm. On his farm, there was a donkey, a sheep, seeds, bees, and 3 trees. One morning, the farmer took his donkey and sheep to eat grass under the 3 trees.
The farmer's children came running and saw the donkey and the sheep eating green grass under the 3 trees.
When the farmer's children saw the donkey and the sheep eating the green grass under the 3 trees,
They got excited and went singing a song.
oh yes,
See the animals eating grass, E-O, under the tree. See the donkey eating grass, E-O, under the tree. See the sheep eating grass, E-O, under the tree.
from the story, there was a common sound. Did you notice it? The sound was E. We can form words with sound E. For example,
Oh yeah! E in the word sheep. E in the word tree. E in the word teeth. E in the word jeep. E in the word 3. And E in the word feet.
all right, let's now read words with sound E. Jeep, feet, teeth, sheep, tree, 3.
Thank you for learning with us. For more lessons, subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Gears Virtual Learning.
Bye-bye.